Today I'll be teaching everyone how to create a Facebook page. After you signed in, you're going to want to go into the top right-hand corner and click on the waffle, also known as the menu, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the Create sidebar. We're going to click on Page. Once you click on Page, it's going to ask you to give your page a name. For this example, I'll be doing Brenna's Designs. And a category is required. Our recommendation for a professional academic would either be school, teacher, and educational website. And for the description, we recommend adding in office hours or other ways to contact you. It's important to remember to update the description as semesters go by because office hours may not be consistent. For this demo, I will just be typing in "this is a test." At the bottom of the page, you'll click Create Page. Now you can see that the page is created. Now we can add images and a cover photo. So for our profile picture, I will be adding this, and you can see it appears right there. And for the cover image, you can see that it will display along this banner. If you want to see what your Facebook page would look like on a mobile device, in this top right-hand corner, click on the phone, and this is what it would appear to be. Once you're content with everything, click Save. Awesome. Now your page is created. A first step we would like to do is click Add a Button. We recommend that you click Send Email. So type in your email address that you would like your students to contact you at and click Save. Now we will go into Settings. Settings can be found on the left sidebar. So now that we're in Page Settings, the first tab will be General, and the only setting you would like to change would be turn on the profanity filter. There is your messaging settings. You can change this to whatever you would like, but the default settings are great in itself. Next would be page information. We went over this when we created the actual page, but here you can add your contact information. You do not have to add a phone number. You can add your email address, and you can add a website. When you add a website, it could be your faculty domain, it could be your department, or just UNF website. If you'd like to add a location, you can. We prefer it to just be University of North Florida. We recommend saying you do not have any hours available and that there is not applicable price range. After all that, we will go to Templates and Tabs. This is what your main page will look like. You have your home, your groups, your events, reviews, videos, photos, about, community, offers, services, shop, jobs, and live. We recommend turning off offers, services, shop, jobs, live, and reviews. Groups, that is up to you. And then we also recommend putting your photos and videos and about right at the top. Do not worry about the event ticketing. Next, we'll go to notifications. This is all personal preferences on whether you want to allow notifications for certain subjects such as page interactions. Do not worry about advanced messaging. Here you can assign a new page role. You do not have to be friends with the person to make them an editor or an admin of this page. I would not worry about having a moderator, an advertiser, or an analyst at this point. An editor can edit, post, and reply under the page, while an admin has control over all the settings. Once you found the name or the friend's email, click Add, and they will get a request. Once they accept the request, they will appear right down below. Here we have people in other pages. You can see people who like this page or other pages that like this page. You do not have to worry about preferred page audience, along with issue, electoral, and political ads. You do not need to worry about ad limits or branded content. So the next setting we will look at is Instagram. Once you have an Instagram account for your educational and professional purposes, you can connect it here. And when you're on Instagram, this gives you the permission to share an Instagram post onto the Facebook page. We will not be discussing WhatsApp, but we will be discussing featured. Here you can have featured pages on your own page. So for this example, a featured like I would do would be UNF or CERT. Do not worry about cross-posting. If you need any support, you can report about others or you can see your violations. You have page management history, and that can show you everything that's been going on. So here you can see that previously I changed to the phone number that this page won't have any. And then we have the activity log. As you can see, it will show all your activity that you updated. So you can see that I updated my cover, I updated my profile picture, and then I have this. After going through all the settings, I will give you a general overlook of your Facebook page. Here you can create a post. You can add images, and you can get messages, and you have a variety of other things you can ask or add to your post. You can create a live video, an event. We do not recommend posting job postings, and you have other options here. We recommend not creating an ad, and you can check here for post templates, but these are optional. Here you can see your insights of people who were reached, post engagements, and page likes. And here's your about. It'll show the basic information that can also be found up in the tab right here. Down below, it has suggested groups, photos, and your page transparency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.